iOS 15 WhatsApp for Android is finally here. Hey, what's going on? It's Dhiman here. Today I'm going to provide you latest iOS 15 WhatsApp that will works with every Android device. So let's start it. In order to get iOS 15 WhatsApp, you need to follow every step carefully. First of all, open WhatsApp that you are using in your device. Bring up more options. Go to settings. Open chats. Now go to chat backup. Hit this button to take the chat backup. It might takes a while, so you need to keep patience. Go back when it's done. Tap and hold on WhatsApp. Open app info. Uninstall the WhatsApp. Now you need to download a zip file. I will make sure to drop its direct link in description. Open Solid Explorer. Browse zip file in downloads folder. One thing that you need to pay attention is that in description you will get two zip files. In case if you are facing any kind of problem with the first one, then you should go with the second zip file. Now select it. Bring up more options. Choose extract option. Type this password carefully and extract the zip file. Remember, this password will works with only 8.95 version of iOS WhatsApp. It will gives us the WhatsApp and the two theme files. Install this WhatsApp, wait for some time. Open it. Allow required permission. Log into WhatsApp using phone number. Now we have to apply the iOS theme to it. For this, switch to Settings tab, open MB Preference, go to Themes, then Load Theme, and now load iOS theme from Downloads folder. Now check everything, it appears like we are using an iOS WhatsApp. So that's it for this video. Drop your thoughts through comments. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in next video.